In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export keyboard shortcuts in Premiere Pro step by step so you can back up your custom setup, move it to another computer, or keep it safe in case you ever need to reset your preferences. This is one of those small Premiere Pro skills that can save you a lot of time later, especially if you've spent hours building a shortcut layout that matches the way you edit. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Premiere Pro tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro. Once the program is open, look up at the top menu and go to Edit, then click Keyboard Shortcuts. If you want a faster way, you can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus K on Windows to open the keyboard shortcuts window instantly. This is where Premiere Pro stores and manages all of your shortcut layouts. When the keyboard shortcuts window appears, the first thing you want to do is make sure your custom layout is selected. If you've already created your own shortcut setup, confirm that the correct layout is active before you save anything. This is important because you want to export the exact version you've customized, not a default preset. Next, look for the Save As button. If you haven't already saved your layout under a custom name, click Save As first. This lets you create a name version of your keyboard shortcut configuration, which makes it much easier to identify later. Give it a clear name so you'll know exactly what it is when you come back to it in the future. After naming it, click Save. Once your layout has been saved properly, Premiere Pro will export it as a .kys file. That .kys file is the actual keyboard shortcut file you can keep as a backup or transfer to another machine. In most cases, Premiere Pro stores this file in your system automatically, so you don't need to manually create it yourself. Just saving the layout is enough for Premiere to generate the export file. If you ever want to find the default location manually on Windows, Premiere Pro also autosaves shortcuts here. Documents, then Adobe, then Premiere Pro, then your version folder, then Profile, then your username, and finally, the Win folder. That's the standard place where your shortcut file is stored. If you're backing things up, this is the folder you'll want to check. A good workflow is to copy that .kes file and save it somewhere safe, like an external drive, cloud storage, or a project backup folder. That way, if Premiere Pro ever resets your settings, crashes, or you move to a new computer, you can quickly restore your shortcut layout without rebuilding everything from scratch, and that's it. You've now learned how to export keyboard shortcuts in Premiere Pro and where to find the saved file on Windows. This is a super useful habit for any editor who wants to protect their custom workflow and stay efficient. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Premiere Pro tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.